AI Advancements Episode 2. AI Roundup, Breakups, Breakouts and Big Bucks. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Advancements. This week we've got a roller coaster ride of AI news, from breakups and breakouts to big money moves. Buckle up. The Pi-ful breakup. Remember Pi, the AI darling that promised to be your personal confidant and coach? Well, it seems the fairy tale is over. Inflection AI, Pi's parent company, is disbanding after just 10 months. Think of it like your favorite band breaking up. The truth is, creating a beloved AI companion is tough business. While Pi was a great product, it couldn't reach the massive scale needed to be profitable. This is a cautionary tale for all the AI startups out there. Building a cool product is only half the battle. The good news? There are still plenty of fish in the AI sea. We've got an updated list of awesome chatbots to check out. Claude 3, ChatGPT-4, Google Gemini, Perplexity, Bing Chat. Remember, with the ever-changing startup landscape, be prepared to find a backup if you fall in love with a particular tool. Journey, revolutionizing hospitality. A few months back we had a glimpse of Journey. This AI startup is shaking things up in the massive hospitality industry, a $4.1 trillion market begging for automation. Journey helps property managers on platforms like Airbnb and Booking.com streamline everything from reservations to pricing. They've seen incredible growth, processing over $35 million in bookings and experiencing a 5x customer increase. And guess what? The AI Advancements family has an opportunity for you. You can learn more about Journey's vision and even invest in their future through Start Engine. Link in the description below. This round closes soon, so don't miss out. Unlocking AI's power at work. Feeling overwhelmed about implementing AI in your business? You're not alone. Leadership struggles to understand how to leverage this powerful technology. Here's a golden nugget from OpenAI, COO, Brad Lightcap. 90% of the value comes from giving people access to the tool and not thinking too much about it. In other words, trust your team. Here are some additional tips to get you started. Invest in quality. Upgrade to paid versions of tools like ChatGPT+ or Claude Pro. It's like going from black and white to high-definition AI. Empower your team. Give them permission and time to experiment with AI tools and share their findings. Start small, iterate often. Don't try to automate everything at once. Focus on tackling one small task at a time. And then refine your approach. Around the circuit board. Let's take a quick spin around the AI news circuit. NVIDIA's CEO thinks we're less than 5 years away from artificial general intelligence, AGI. Buckle up. Link is in the description. Apple's recent research hints at their ambitious plans in the AI space. OpenAI's GPT-5 is rumored to be a significant leap forward from GPT-4. Get ready for a summer launch. Saudi Arabia is pouring a whopping $40 billion into AI development. Funding frenzy. AI on the rise. The money's flowing in the AI world. Here are just a few of the companies that raised significant funds this week. Together AI. Building a popular cloud platform for AI, $106 million. Hippocratic AI. Developing a large language model for healthcare, $50 million. Adaptive AI. Helping businesses customize AI models, $20 million. We've also got companies making waves in insurance like Xaver and Neural Earth. Also in precision medicine, Zephyr AI. And even the bereavement process, empathy. That's it for this week, AI enthusiasts. Thanks for joining us on our journey towards a smarter, more connected future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI advancements.